Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, July the 5th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, this one is very interesting. Yes, a lot of pairs, but we solve it again, and 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary one. Yes, it's time for the binary time. Number 4804. Yes, 4804. All right, what kind of binary is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Double one, here no there no. Double O, here one there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no there no. Double one, here no there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. Yeah. Double one. I think. Need to compare the. Need to compare the. Well, this row and that row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay. But it's not helping me now. How about 101 here? 110. 10 here. Yeah. This row and that row. Let me do this with the red pencil. Alright. Empty box. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes. You need to compare twice in this puzzle. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4th puzzle. Yeah, the 4th puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.